Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with another update to the Terminator custom Chevy pickup truck. And it's been a while since my last update. I was hoping to have this finished before now, but there's been a couple of things that have been fighting me on it, so progress has been a bit slower than I wanted. First, the good news though. I am on the home stretch with it. I've got the box installed now, and I've got myself a scratch-built roll bar here. That is out of some stainless steel rod, so it's already the right color, and it is a nice, sturdy piece. No problems there. Got both bumpers on it now. Got the taillights in it. Finished off my back window with these Dixie Pick decals in both corners. I do still need to finish the window trim like I was talking about last time, as well as the side view mirrors, the door handles and hardware, and the badges on the front. But those are going to be the last thing, since those are the easiest to break off. Same with the light bar up here. I'm going to clearance lights across the tailgate, and the last couple of lights here on the grill guard. The grill itself, what I did was I cut out the egg crate right to the edges of the frame all the way around, and then I replaced it with a section of evergreen metal siding, and then just bare metal foiled over the whole thing. So that gave me the custom bar grill look. Pretty happy with how that turned out. I used some Molotow liquid chrome for the front and rear bumpers, and that worked out pretty good on that front. Got the exhaust system all finished now as a custom but still street legal version. Made custom brackets for the front and rear bumpers. The front ones are just fairly standard, whereas on the back I wanted to kind of give a step. Since most pickup trucks offer something back there, and this bar bumper did not, so I figured I'll combine both step functionality with brackets. They are open from the side, so they're not just giant blocks, but that's how that looks. And again, overall generally pretty happy with it. But the few things that I'm not. The biggest is the hood. It has been stripped and repainted I don't even know how many times, and as it is right now, it's in primer again. For whatever reason, it just refuses to take paint nicely. I've had crazing, I've had bubbles. It's the same plastic, painted with the same paints as the rest of the body, but for some reason, just not having any luck with that. So, hoping that that can be kind of finalized soon. Maybe this week, since like a lot of other people, I am working from home, and my commute time is a lot shorter now, so I've got a little bit more time that I can work on things like this. So, I would like to get that hood finished and painted. And then it's just a matter of putting the printed lights here, and like I said, the marker lights on the back, and those little extra bits on the doors and front fenders. So it's close. It's very close to finished. But if not for that nagging hood and trying to get the bumpers mounted, that was a bit of an adventure as well. Not really problematic, just fussy, especially trying to get that front one in there so that everything looked level, correct, and neat. Yeah. It was worth the extra effort, but it was extra effort there. So, there you go. That is where I am with this. I hope that everyone out there is staying safe, staying healthy, and getting a chance to work on some extra projects. So for myself, I will be back with another update on this, hopefully the finished model in the very near future. So check back then. Thanks for watching.